Hey there, fellow writers. I am Angela Teresa. I want to share something truly exciting with you about how technology is revolutionizing the way we write. I've spent decades honing my craft as a playwright, author, and poet. I've had the incredible fortune of seeing my plays produced, books published, and winning small awards for my screenplays. But let me tell you something, the writing landscape has changed, and I couldn't be more thrilled about it. Before ChatGPT came along, I thought I had seen it all in the writing world. We went from quill pens to typewriters to computers, from snail mail submissions to email attachments. But nothing, and I mean nothing, has stirred up my creative juices quite like this amazing AI tool. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine sitting down to write, and instead of facing that intimidating blank page alone, you have a knowledgeable writing partner ready to brainstorm, research, and help organize your thoughts. That's what ChatGPT has become for me, a collaborative tool, a friend that enhances, rather than replaces, human creativity. I remember when I first started using it, I was skeptical, like many writers. But then I discovered how it could help me outline my stories, suggest plot twists, and even help me overcome writer's block. It became like having a 24/7 writing assistant who never gets tired or runs out of ideas. And here's the beautiful part, I've made it my mission to share this knowledge, particularly with my fellow senior citizens. You see, I understand the hesitation some of us might feel about embracing new technology. Trust me, I've been there. But I've developed methods to make this transition smooth and enjoyable. Whether you're working on your memoir, finally writing that novel you've been dreaming about for years, or just want to document your family's history, I can show you how to harness the power of ChatGPT to make your writing journey easier and more enjoyable. We've lived through so many incredible stories. We have wisdom and experiences that deserve to be shared. With the right tools and guidance, you can bring these stories to life in ways you never thought possible. I offer personalized training, guidance or done-for-you opportunities, tailored to your needs and comfort level. You can start slow, build confidence, and before you know it, you'll be using ChatGPT like a pro to enhance your writing process. No technical expertise required. Just bring your stories and your willingness to learn. Remember, age is just a number, and it's never too late to embrace new tools that can help us tell our stories. Whether you're 60 or 90, if you have a story or idea to tell, I am here to help you bring it to life with the assistance of modern technology. Let's embark on this creative journey together. Your stories matter, and with the right tools and guidance, we can make sure they're heard. Let us start this exciting chapter today.
Whether you'd like me to do it for you on ChatGPT, or if you want to learn how to do ChatGPT alongside with me, just contact me and I'll tell you my offers. They range everywhere from $11 on up, depending on what your needs are. And I'm here to help you. I'm Angela Teresa Ichik.